If you're backpacking through Mexico, you've probably heard of the big hitters like Mérida or Tulum. But tucked away on the Gulf Coast is Campeche, a literal paint bomb of a city wrapped in pirate-proof walls with some of the best sunsets in Yucatan. Most people skip it, but we recommend you don't. And in this guide, I'm going to show you how to do Campeche on a budget without the tour groups. This is the Ocean to Jungle Guide to Campeche. We came from Mérida, and we booked our ADO bus online a few days earlier and managed to snag it for 50% off at just £6 each. But just a warning though, the ADO buses are basically mobile freezers, so wrap up warm. The ADO bus from Mérida to Campeche is the one that goes via Uxmal, so if your trip is short on time, you can combine your travel day with a visit to this wonderful Maya site. When you're choosing where to stay in Campeche, we recommend to stay inside the city walls as it's way more atmospheric. We found a boutique place called Casa Jade with a rooftop pool overlooking the cathedral. It was a bit of a splurge for us on our backpackers budget, but with some cashback magic, I managed to get it for just £34 a night. Honestly, for this view, right inside the city walls, it was worth every penny. This is the Malecón, the seafront boardwalk, and unlike on the Caribbean side, you're looking out over the Gulf of Mexico here. It's a massive 7-kilometre stretch, perfect for a walk, and if you're a birder, keep your eyes open for the magnificent frigate birds, which are always circling. The old town of Campeche is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's basically a candy-coloured maze. Every single street looks like an album cover, and it's much quieter than Mérida, which gives it a bit more of a hidden gem feel. It does lack a bit of that city grit, what we liked about Mérida, but for photography, it's definitely unbeatable. The central Independence Park is the heart of the city, and the cathedral here took about 200 years to build, which explains why it looks so impressive. It's also where you'll find the best local energy. But the coolest feature of Campeche is the walls, and you can actually walk the ramparts that were built in the 17th century to fend off pirates. Back in the day, Campeche was the richest port in Mexico, which made it a massive target for legends like Sir Francis Drake and Henry Morgan. They sacked the city so many times that the Spanish eventually got fed up and built these massive hexagonal walls to keep them out. And you'll see pirate statues all over the place today. We accidentally timed our visit with the Carnaval de Campeche, one of the oldest in Mexico. It was absolutely packed and just crazy chaos, and we saw everything from tiny kids on mini floats to massive LGBTQ+ pride celebrations. The atmosphere was electric, so if you're here in late February or early March, you might be able to catch it too. But the real show in Campeche are the sunsets. Because it faces west over the Gulf, the sky just goes off. It's a perfect way to end the day before heading out for some vegan tostadas. And finally, the most random moment of our trip, a guy busking Oasis covers in the middle of a Mexican carnival. We're from Manchester, so apparently we can never truly escape home, no matter where we are in the world. Well, I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to check out my blog, oceantojungle.com. Bye!